as you see, we have torn this wall out completely and prepared to put another brick arch in this area.
So there'll be two next to each other?
4.
Oh, so it's just gonna be
It's
the
just
same
gonna
as
continue.
those?
And I will say this, these beams,
Uh-huh.
obviously we put these 2 up more than anything, but prior to that, we had no idea what was holding them up. Literally couldn't find anything but painter's tape wrapped around them.
What?
And I was a little scared. Okay, I'm gonna be ashamed to say it, but I may wet my pants a little bit because the thought of a 1,000-pound beam coming down on me sounded frightening, terrifying.
Yes.
And I would probably be getting coloring books for Christmas if that thing would fit me.
Okay, so this is the back of the new soon-to-be workout house, and as you can see, we have nice carpet that Kyle wants to repurpose for his closet, and he actually asked if we could save the CD for the opening
It's Dracula.
housewarming party.
It's a book on tape, which is my favorite way of reading, and yeah, save it for a Halloween night.
Sounds great. Yep. Back torn off. Front torn off. Outdoor kitchen is going in. Starting to go in.
Well, that's a wrap for another episode of our renovation show. We'll be getting you more content soon. Just wanted to remind you that I am Jen Burns with eXp Realty. I service the greater Baton Rouge area. So if you're looking to buy your first home or your forever home, please let me know. Reach out to me on social media through Instagram or Facebook, or you can always go the traditional methods of call, text, or an email. My direct number is 225-907-3305. I would be happy to discuss your real estate needs and see how I can help. Again, thanks so much for watching our show and hope to see you soon.